Welcome, friends. What if the Milky Way
It were to collide with the Andromeda galaxy, which is expected to happen in about 4.5 billion years? It would result in a galactic merger. The outcome would be dramatic, but the individual stars within each galaxy would likely not collide due to the vast distances between them. Here are some key events that could unfold. 1. Galactic reshaping. The two galaxies would eventually merge into a larger elliptical galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkomeda, a combination of both names. During the merger, gravitational forces would disrupt the structure of both galaxies, potentially leading to the formation of new star clusters and the reshaping of the galactic disk too. Star formation, the collision of gas clouds, along with the triggering of shock waves, could lead to intense new star formation. This might create massive bursts of new stars in regions where gas and dust are compressed. 3. Supermassive black hole interaction. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda contain supermassive black holes at their centers. As the galaxies merge, these black holes could spiral toward each other and eventually collide, potentially producing powerful gravitational waves and possibly forming an even larger supermassive black hole at the center of the new galaxy. For disruption of solar systems, while the stars themselves are unlikely to collide, the gravitational interactions could destabilize the orbits of planets within star systems. This could potentially lead to some stars being ejected from the newly formed galaxy, and some planetary systems might be displaced or encounter new stars. 5. Long time frame. Despite the dramatic nature of the collision, it would unfold over billions of years, meaning that life on Earth would likely not be directly impacted, though the changes in the sky, such as the appearance of Andromeda as a larger object, would be noticeable over time. In short, the collision would result in a new, larger galaxy and could trigger both star formation and the merging of black holes. However, the actual impact on individual stars and planets would be minimal, although the galactic environment would be significantly altered. Subscribe to our channel to get more informative videos.